Okay, so we are in and starting to get settled. I want to give you a peek at our kitchen. We are waiting on the island to come in. So pretty happy with how it's turned out. We have a extra jumbo island countertop that we're waiting on, Cambria. Dan put plywood down for now. So that's working out, but just a peek. Waiting on some furniture to come in. We got the chairs, the new table is on wait. Cosmo's enjoying life here. And we're getting some of the new furniture in here as well. This will go into our living room. I'm sorry, family room. Gosh, living room. This is our family room. And our Boujee Lounge. We actually spend a lot of time in here. Morning coffees. There's Dan's to-do list that he's still working on down here. And so this is where we're at. Love all the lighting. And waiting on we'll have a second sink in here, second dishwasher. So very excited about that. And very happy. And there's our mudroom. So thanks for continuing on this journey with us. Next project will be a patio out here at some point.